Assalamu alaikum, dear friends and colleagues. In this video, I will explain how to use the Chigo AC remote control. This remote is also used for brands like Comfort-Aire, Century, Klimaire, Cooper and Hunter, TGM, Zanussi, Prem-i-Air, Electrolux, Kelvinator, Kogan, Alpine, TriStar, Granding, and Beko. As a Fahrenheit scale is used in your country, press the mode and temperature down button at the same time. This is the on-off button of the air conditioner, and with its help we can turn the air conditioner on and off. To change the mode of the AC, we can use the mode button. Each time the mode button is pressed, the AC switches to the next mode. There are 5 modes available via the mode button: auto, cooling, drying, heating, and fan. Since the cool mode is used most often, we will first explain how to use this mode. Press the mode button, and when the cursor on the screen points to the word cool, the AC is in cooling mode. In this mode, we will set AC temperature to 22 to 24 degrees Celsius or to 72 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. When you want to save electricity, set the temperature above 24 degrees Celsius, 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Setting the temperature below 22 degrees Celsius is not recommended, as it may cause a cold. To change AC fan speed, we use the fan button. This AC fan has 4 speeds: low, auto, high, medium, and low. You can select the low speed if the fan noise disturbs you in the bedroom. As the speed increases, the cooling capacity of the AC also increases. Press the mode button again and you will see that the cursor stops in front of the word dry. This is the dry mode, and it is designed to reduce the humidity in the house. Press the mode button again and the cursor will point to the word heat. This is the heating mode. In heating mode, we set the AC temperature above 26 degrees Celsius or 79 degrees Fahrenheit. Setting the AC's fan speed to auto fan speed in heating mode makes the AC work more efficiently, because in this case the fan speed will be selected by the microprocessor according to the condensation temperature. Frosting of the AC's outdoor unit will only occur when the air temperature approaches 0 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit. To switch to auto fan speed, press the fan button several times, and when you see movement on the screen, the AC is auto fan speed mode. Additionally, depending on the air temperature, it will take 20 to 40 minutes for the AC to reach nominal power in heating mode. Hot air will start coming out of the AC in heating mode after 5 to 10 minutes at the earliest. Press the mode button again and switch to fan mode. In this mode, the AC works like a regular fan. Press the mode button and one more time to switch to auto mode. Press the mode button one more time to switch to auto mode. And the word auto and its icon will appear on the screen. In this mode, the AC constantly tries to maintain the room temperature at 25 degrees Celsius or 77 degrees Fahrenheit. That is, if the room temperature is below this value, the AC will work in heating mode. If it is above, it will work in cooling mode. Press the mode button one more time to return to cooling mode. Now we will explain how to use the other buttons on the remote control. With the swing button, we can move the AC's low levers up and down or stop them in any position. The airflow button is used to change the direction of the air coming out of the AC. Sometimes when the weather is very hot, we can use the turbo button to intensify the AC's cooling. In this mode, the AC will run at the highest fan speed for 15 minutes and return to the previous fan mode after this time. The sleep button is used to ensure a comfortable sleep. Often people set the AC to 21 to 22 degrees Celsius or to 70 to 72 degrees Fahrenheit when they sleep. This can lead to a cold. To prevent this, it is recommended to use the sleep mode. In this mode, the AC raises the temperature by 1 degree after 2 hours and another degree after a few more hours. The clean button is designed to dry the moisture on the evaporator. When this button is pressed, the AC fan runs for 15 to 20 minutes after the compressor turns off. The lamp button is for turning the light on the AC on and off. Sometimes we want to limit the use of the remote control. In this case, we can use the hold button. The timer on button is for starting the AC at a desired time. For example, we go to work at 8 a.m. and turn off the AC. And we want it to start at 6 p.m. in the evening. Press the timer button and set it to 10 hours. To exit this mode, press the on-off button. Or our AC is working and we want it to turn off after 5 hours. In this case, press the timer button and set it to 5. To exit this mode, simply pressing the on-off button is sufficient. Thank you for watching us until the end.